Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to delete your finished project on your Canva so that you will not collecting a chunk or make your storage got full. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Canva application, and whenever you open it, sometimes you will be brought into these home sections, but then now to make you easier, you just need to visit the project. Whenever you already open the project, now you just need to find which project that you have been done for the editing. So let's say here I already finished this project. So the thing that we need to do to delete it, you just need to go click these three small dots on this project, and after that go click move to trash. And now this design is already disappear from your home or even your project collection. So that is the way, guys, how to delete the project on a on the Canva. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.